will give you money. Money that will come in form of a bag. That bag will never lack money inside of it. You can empty the bag in the morning. And when you come back in the night, the bag will be full of money one more time.
Fine baby with the cash, Adama name of beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito ma waiting day, Adama name of fine girl, biggie jeep, fine girl, fine house, small girl, biggie bank, small girl with a biggie garden. Chiquito Diego, fine baby with the cash. Adama name of beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito ma waiting day, Adama name of Chiquito Diego, fine baby with the cash. Adama name of beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito ma waiting day. Shall surely pass away. The pleasures.
Oh my God! What happened?
Oh, thank God that you're here, Seline. Thank God.
What kind of access is this?
You know James. Yeah? I pleaded with him not to go to work because he wasn't in the right frame of mind. But James, he insisted. The next call I got was that he slept with a headband of sand on his head as he was climbing the makeshift steps on the construction site. He fell with his arm.
Oh no. God. How badly is the hurt? What did the doctor say?
Well, the doctor says that he doesn't have a concussion. That's the good news. They have done X-ray on him, and I believe he'll be fine.
Oh dear. Oh God. What more does life want from you? What? First, it was your job. Now his wife. And now the hands he uses to fend for himself. What more does life have in stock for you? Oh dear.
Well, I believe he will overcome all this. He will. Seline.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming almost immediately.
Oh no. Thank you for calling me. Thank you. You know, James is a very special friend of ours. And in this situation, he needs us around. Thank you for calling me. Thank you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm here now.
It's okay, no problem. I am a very reliable financial consultant. Madam Chi wouldn't have recommended me to you if I am not reliable. Give me an idea of what you want to do, then I'll assist you.
The truth is that I don't even know what I want myself. I did a business deal with a white man. Before I knew it, boom! I was paid millions of naira.
It's good news.
Yeah, so I want to invest wisely. You know, opportunities like this are very hard to come by.
Exactly.
That's why I need your help.
That is my job. I will guide you to make a right decision, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how do you feel?
I know you want me to tell you the truth, considering all you've done for me. She deserves nothing but the truth. I feel worse. I feel deprived. I feel like I am handicapped.
James, don't talk like that, please. Everything will be fine. Okay?
But that is the truth. That is just the truth. I have no job. I with a broken arm, what can I do to support myself again?
Don't you say never. Don't. Your broken arm will be fixed again and then you'll be so fine. You will.
Till when? I have a son. I have a son to take care of. And with a broken arm, tell me, what can I do to do that? You see, at this point, I feel God has turned his back on me. I am all alone in this world. No one to turn to.
No, please. James, stop sounding like this. When you talk like this, you break my heart. Please. Fine, I know that you're in a lot of pain. Sorry. I do, but there is something I'll say to you now. You see, when there is life, there is hope. All hope is not lost, my dear. Before you know it, you will be so fine again.
You try to pacify a child. You can't pacify a broken man.
Good afternoon, James. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was told that one of my laborers fell and hurt himself. I'm just getting into town, so I decided to pay a visit. How are you?
As you can see, I am still breathing. That is all I have left.
You know, when we are alive, then we have hope.
Yes.
That is what my friend here has been preaching to me about. But as far as I'm concerned, she's not making any sense to me. minute. Did you just say one of your laborers? Are you the owner of the construction company?
Well, I'm Avery Peterson, General Manager Peterson Constructions. We own the project where you fell and got hurt, so we will be taking full responsibility.
Oh, that sounds so nice. My friend here has been doing all that and...
Your friend would not have to worry. You are?
I'm Seline. We are family friends.
Thank you so much for all that you've done. I'm going to compensate you for everything you've spent so far on him. Because all the site engineers independently attested to how dedicated and hardworking he is. And it's not in our nature to abandon such people. So, everything is going to be on us.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Where is this place?
Oh, this is our vacation villa here in the city. And given your condition and all the positive remarks made independently about you by all the site supervisors, you'll now be considered as an asset to the company. And as the GM, I thought it wise that you stay here where utmost care and attention is given to you.
That is very thoughtful of you. But I have a home.
I know about you. And considering who you are to the company, you are not going back there.
I don't understand. I am no longer going back to my house.
Mr. Ona, here at Peterson's Constructions, we have a reputation to reward hard work and dedication to duty. You are an asset to us. Like I said, make yourself very comfortable and feel at home. Excuse me. Okay, so this is James, the one I told you about.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome.
She's Grace, our housekeeper. She lives and takes care of this place because we only use it during visitations or vacations. She's like a mother, and trust me, she'll treat you same.
Thank you.
Sure, ma. You have nothing to worry about, ma.
Grace, like I told you, we're going to be responsible for his upkeep until he gets back to his feet. You know what that means.
I don't have problem, ma. Sir, let me quickly get you something to eat.
That's right after you've shown him to his room.
The pleasure is mine, sir. Can we go?
It's okay.
He needs help.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away.
I really don't know how to paint this picture for people to understand that hard work really pays. Hard work pays.
Some more get a biggie bank here. Some more get with the biggie god. I got my name off of my.
your car. No. No. How did this happen? How? When?
A lot has happened over the weeks, Seline.
Right. I can see. Ebere, you are not hiding anything from me. Like I want to hear them all.
Come with me,
Let's go
please.
inside. Ebere, please stop talking. I told you that again.
Yeah, okay. So cut the long story short, I got a job as a sales representative.
And you already have a car?
It's very surprising, right? Well, you shouldn't be. Because the guy is a nice and a sweet person.
Right. You sound like you know him very well already.
Not in that aspect though, but he is nice. To everyone, all his employees. Oh my God, Seline, I wish you can meet this guy. He's such a nice person and a good investor. He might even want to invest in your business.
No, please don't worry about that. I have plans for that already. I'm just happy you are okay after your divorce. You're looking great.
I should look great.
I was worried about you.
Thank God I'm fine now.
Sorry, ma'am. Do you want a lot of pepper on the snail?
As if you know that's how I like it.
Okay, ma'am. It will be ready in the next 15 minutes.
Good. Oh, God. Would you ask? Ask? About what?
About the obvious. James.
Seline, what is wrong with you? I mean, how did James find himself into this our conversation now? How?
Ebere, James is your husband.
Was. Not anymore. I mean, Seline, I cannot explain this obsession. Why is it that you always have to bring James into any of our conversation? That's not nice. It's not nice. I don't want to talk about him.
Ebere, fine, you guys might be divorced. But Ebere is still a huge part of your life.
Oh, please.
He's the father of your son, whether you like it or not. Well, if you must know, he fell down and then broke his arm. All right, about now
He's what? He's still alive. And that's what that matters. Who cares about James? He's the last thing in my mind. Like, I don't even reason him. I don't think about him. Oh, please, Seline. I did not come all the way for us to discuss about James. Please, let's talk about something else. Where is my snail? Can we start from there? You know what? I would really love to buy something for you. So, open any online shop you love their samples. Let's start making purchases immediately.
Right.
Yes?
Are you serious?
I'm not joking.
Ebere, you want to buy things for me.
You know, for old time's sake, I am prepared to spend ₦1 million on wares for you. Just for you. But, if you don't want it, I can remit it into your bank account, for I still have your account number.
Right. You have not told me what happened. What kind of a sales girl spends money the way you are doing? Like, what do you sell, please? Lands or houses?
Forget about that. We'll discuss that later. I'm so excited that you have hauled your miserable ass out of the house since Chuma left.
Oh, please, not again. Chuma is in my past, and that is where he belongs.
So is James in my past as well, and that is where he belongs. Forgotten forever.
Right, so let me get your room ready for you, even though nobody has used it since you left.
No, you don't have to worry yourself, my darling, for I already made the reservation.
Why? My house is fine. Your mother's house is very close to this place, just a mile. So why you get in a hotel?
Sorry, my darling, I just don't want to be a burden to anybody.
A beret. Since when did it start becoming a burden to me? Right, I can see you have a lot of money to spend, but I'm not stopping you. I stay here alone in this 6-bedroom duplex. You can stay here with me, I'm not complaining.
I know, my darling. I know I can always count on you. But I already made a reservation and I paid twice the money to secure that suite for myself. I can't possibly let it go like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I won't stop you, but at least will you come here for breakfast?
What is wrong with you? Come on. I'm actually expecting you to go up there, pick a few things, and let's go to the hotel and have some fun. Why are you like this?
Baby, I have work to do. A lot of work.
Work and enjoy, my darling. Few hours of fun will not kill you or crumble your business.
You win.
Yes, of course I know.
You win. Okay, fine. Just send me the address and I'll be there in the morning.
Alright, darling. I have to get going now. I have things to do. Okay?
Okay.
Right?
See you off.
Alright, darling. Yes, just going to the hotel. Lodged in already. But I must tell you the truth. I am not impressed with what I'm seeing here. Well, it's fine based on what you told me that it represents in the spiritual. I'll just have to understand and manage it. Well, it's fine. I'm still lounging around the bar, trying to get a few things I could have. But don't worry, my darling, once I get into my room, I will call you for us to have a proper discussion. I have something important to discuss with you.
Excuse me, ma'am. The shop man is here.
Oh, fine. Just drop it. Thank you.
Please, do you need any other thing?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Can I have a moment of your time, ma'am?
Who are you, please?
My name is Walter. I am the manager of this hotel.
Okay. Sit down.
We are having a little problem with the suite our front desk officer reserved for you.
The suite? What seems to be the problem?
Actually...
Manager, don't bother yourself. I will give it to her straight. Hi, my name is Devna Adams. Well, you happen to occupy my space. I mean, the suite which you reserved is mine. And it will be my pleasure if you release it back to me. I'll pay for the stress, okay? The troubles, I'm gonna sort it out.
Manager, what is the problem with her? What is she talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that the suite you paid for is mine. I have been staying there each time I come into this town for business. And I'm aware that you just made payments today and have not slept on it yet. I want it back. I'm going to balance you for whatsoever you have spent. And I'm also going to give you another room
where you can spend the night. Can you turn down this offer? Sweet, right?
How much does she think she's worth?
Please, this is what we are trying to avoid. Both of you are our esteemed and valued customers. We can resolve this now.
No, I will not take that rubbish, manager. I will not. And I'm telling you right now that I will stay in that room for 1 month. For emphasis, 1 solid month. And nothing can be done about it. And I don't ever want you to come to me discussing about this thing right here. Don't. Ew.
What? Manager, who did she just call a thing? Me?
But Belvina, you know you are not a thing. See, I have already reserved a very good room for you. I'll rush and fix it up. Let me just...
Never. I'm not going to take any other room. I won't. That's an insult.
Listen, I heard everything. You have to calm down.
Calm down? Don't even tell me that. Did you hear what that idiot did? She insulted me. She doesn't even know who she is dealing with and goes about like an overlaid peacock.
I know you're pissed, right? But you have to calm down. There is nothing special about that suit. Let's take the one that is available.
Don't even tell me that.
But I am telling you the truth. I am sure it won't be that bad. And maybe you should consider buying that house. Now, at least whenever you come into town, you won't have problems trying to find a place to sleep.
I've never had problem finding where to sleep in this town. I mean, these people are being incompetent. Why would they sell out my room? When I called yesterday telling them I will make payment today.
And logically, you have no case against this hotel. There was no payment. They reserved a room for you. Let's go and see what it looks like.
Really?
Yes.
Can you please tell me what is going on?
I honestly do not understand what you mean by that.
You know, for a second, I thought you were pulling my legs when I saw the address of this place, that you were staying here.
Pulling your legs? Why should I pull your legs, my darling? And why are you surprised?
You talk as if you don't know what I'm talking about. This hotel is a very strange place. I don't even know how to say it. Just last night you sent in $1 million into my account. And now you are here.
What is wrong with this place? Hey, Seline. Oh no, Seline. Let it not be what I'm thinking. I hope you are not insinuating that I, Ebere, have been sleeping around.
Oh, no. I didn't say that. And I cannot even say that, because saying that means I'm very stupid. Really, because men give you money these days. Things are hard, things are rough. Men don't give girls money anymore. But permit me to ask you, please, what exactly are you marketing?
Seline, why is it so difficult for you to understand that I have made it? Why? Yes, I met a nice person who connected me to what I have always wanted. Come on, Seline. The money that makes people millionaires can come in one day. In just one day. And that is what they call hammer.
Yes, of course. You have hammered. You know, but come to think of it, one may even think that you are into something illegal, like fraud or, you know.
Seline, why are you like this? I invited you for us to be happy. We need to talk, we need to be happy, we need to have fun. Not this weird imagination of yours. Come on. Tell me what you want. Let me order it immediately.
Ebere, when are you going to see your mom?
I've already gone to see them. My mother is okay. Jamike is doing just fine. It's fine. You know my mother. She's good with infants.
Oh wow. I pity that boy. He surely misses you. And let me ask you, Ebere, was he ever breastfed?
Jamike is doing just fine, Seline. And to tell you, he is not the first to be brought up with artificial milk, and he will not be the last. So you tell me, what would you have?
A baby.
Seline.
You work too hard for a lady.
You should be in bed.
And you too. And you need your beauty sleep.
Well, unfortunately, beauty sleep does not put food on my table. And my father is not the type to pay incompetency, whether you're his child or not.
He's a wise and astute businessman then.
That he is. By the way, why are you up?
Same old story. I can't sleep.
I thought you should have gotten over that by now.
Yes, I have. But it happens once in a while. So, what are you working on?
I'm about to have a headache because of this new landscape contract. I can barely understand how to match this and the presentation this engineer made.
Let me have a look. This is very clear and simple. I know where your confusion is coming from. He used heavy colors, and his depiction is quite overboard. I think he believes he's dealing with a Lynette colleague.
James, I am learned.
Of course I know. I'm not disputing that fact. You see, in this engineering field, not everyone can tactfully identify landscape map. You see, I've seen people who had this similar problem.
I know. But then I have been meaning to ask you, how come you know so much about engineering?
I am a graduate of civil engineering.
You are? So how come you're not practicing? Why are you doing menial jobs? Carrying sand, cement and blocks?
I was gainfully employed, but something happened along the line.
Tell me more.
So what do you think?
The house is pretty awesome. I love everything about it.
Then go ahead and make the payment. Actually, this house is on competition. A young lady came by my office last week, and I'm sure she will be coming back this week. If the house is still available, you might not get it.
Oh, come on, Mr. Alfred. You know full well that money is never my problem. Not at all. Hold on a second.
It's okay?
Hello, dear. I've gone around to check the house, and trust me, I love everything I see here. So just go ahead and wire the money. All right, thank you. I will get the confirmation once the money is sent, okay?
Action lady. I love action women.
You know.
They can pay to any of those accounts I sent to you.
It's fine.
Yes.
You don't have a problem with that.
Mr. Alfred, I was just coming from your office to make Euro gain.
Indeed, it's me. I don't fancy running into you. Are you stalking me?
Mr. Alfred, we had an agreement.
Well, I'm sorry, miss. Agreement changes. You know, this is business and the house is on the market. Once transaction is completed, it is considered that the house is out of the market. Just like now.
You can't be serious. You can't even sell my house to this thing, this idiot.
Hey! Watch your tongue. How dare you talk to me like that? Have you lost your sanity? Who do you think you are anyway? The president's daughter or what?
Maybe.
And you listen to me. Don't you ever speak to me in that manner again. Don't you? If you had the money, you would have acquired this property before now. But alas, you don't have it.
And why are you always looking for trouble? And who is this thing? A handbag? Or what?
Insult my friend.
And if I do, what will you do? Listen, Mr. Alfred, I don't have time for all this nonsense. I have paid for this property and I don't want any rubbish again in here. Please confirm the payments and get back to me so we can have a meeting and finish the paperwork. I want to move into my house as soon as possible. Thank you very much. And while at it, I want you two to take your miserable, God-forsaken, rat-eating selves out of my property before I unleash the authorities on you. Really? You heard me, bitch. Get out. Broke ass bitches. Mr. Alfred, take care of everything.
It's alright.
I'm going to get back to you.
Alright.
I know you love my meals.
Of course. You're a great cook.
Okay, so just eat and be fine, right?
Okay, thank you.
Right, what would you love for dessert?
Anything.
Anything. What about chocolate cake? The one I bought the last time is so nice. You love it. Yummy. So, 1 minute.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Alright, here we go.
Oh my God. I am feeling like a spoiled brat.
Oh no, you are not. See, you need strength to recuperate. And that's why I'm here to make sure that's 100%, right?
Alright, in that case, grab this fork and eat with me.
I have some things to do in the kitchen.
Come on. Why do you keep declining each time I ask you to join me?
Okay, if you insist.
Sure, I insist.
Fine, good.
And if you wouldn't mind, can I feed you?
Oh. Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'm to feed you too, right?
What is going on here?
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll bring you back. Welcome.
Hi, Seline. I see that you're here again today.
Yes, I'm sorry that I've not been coming here as I'm supposed to. Yeah, I've been busy with work.
Feels good to know that James here could go on a day without you. I am tired. I'll be in my room because I need some rest.
Welcome.
Okay.
So, let's continue, okay? Eat your food. Then,
is it just me or is there something wrong?
No. You see, you don't know how stressful managing a construction project could be. It wears one out. Don't worry. After a rest, you'll get better. So, continue.
Okay.
Eat the meat, okay?
Shall surely die. Everything shall surely pass away.
Well, just relax. Know it that things will soon get better. Have you not signed the papers? She's gone. Relax, my brother. Just forget about her. Forget about Ebere. Forget about her.
Easy.
Eh?
It's not easy. Everything is still the same. Hey. How are you feeling?
Good. Better, as a matter of fact.
Okay.
Celine's gone.
Yeah. A while ago.
I see.
Is everything okay at work?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay. You know, I've been wondering, maybe I should get a job.
Why?
I'm fine now. I need to be useful to myself. I need to work.
I know your physiotherapy exercise has been going great, but you are not ready yet.
Audrey, this is my body. I think I am in a better position to decide that.
Are you thinking straight? Look, let me tell you, no one is going to employ the services of a man who's barely surviving with one hand.
What? One-hand man? Is that what you think of me?
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it to come out that way. All I'm trying to say is that you need a little bit more time to yourself.
I am a man. I am a father. I have to do something.
I know, James. That's why I suggested you going to Lagos.
No. That is not an option. Not at all. Look, I have a son. I barely see him as it is right now. And I can't afford to stay miles away from him. Else, I won't concentrate in anything I'm doing there.
Then be patient with yourself. Look, you're healing faster than I even thought. And in no time, you'll be completely fine. You need to give yourself some more time, please. Do not allow your doctor's efforts to be in vain. Look, James, when you're completely healed and ready for the workforce, we will definitely find you something to do. I promise.
Okay. So, how is it?
Darling, this is beautiful. It is so beautiful.
Really?
Of course it is. No wonder people wanted to get this place. It is so gorgeous.
Yeah, the highest bidder actually got the house.
Now that is money talking. Money is doing its work, you know? I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much, darling. You know, I should be grateful to you because all these wouldn't have been possible without you.
Please don't thank me because I will still do it over and over again. Do you know how happy it is for me to see you live your dream?
Yeah, I'm so happy and I cannot wait to bring my son and give him the better life that he truly deserves.
My dear, you deserve a better life. We all deserve to live a good life. So, you're going to bring him in?
Of course, my darling. You know I've not been close to my son all this while. So it's time for me to bring him close and perform my motherly duties. And now, I have everything.
You're balanced. You are more than balanced. Now you're talking like a woman of high class.
You know, a woman of high class indeed.
But there's a question I want to ask. Where was this house when I was buying that my one-bedroom flat place?
Don't even try.
No. You know
Don't
what?
patronize me.
This is what we're going to do. 200 million. And I'll take this house. Should I write you a check? Should I write you a check?
Do that.
You know I can do that.
Please.
This is beautiful.
It is not as if I'm asking you to stop welcoming your friend. But I have this feeling that Madam is not happy with her visit.
Madam Grace, I noticed that as well. I don't know why she's not happy with the only female friend I have. As a matter of fact, the first day she visited me at the hospital, she met this friend of mine. So I don't know why she's not happy with her visit.
Am I the one who should teach you about classlessness of women? Most times, women hate themselves for nothing. But you are not going to blame them because it is in their nature.
I understand what you're saying. And thanks for bringing up this topic. But the truth is, I won't stop Seline from coming here.
And I'm not asking you to do that either. See, I like her. She's exposed and well behaved. I am only telling you to be careful so that Madam will not change her mind about you.
How do you mean?
I have this feeling you don't know how wealthy her father is. And she is the only one he trusts. I know she has a plan to fix you up. And your friend's continued visit to this house might ruin everything for you. So you have to be very careful. Think about it.
Oh. Why am I always at the crossroad? I can't stop stealing my friend from coming here. And I can't afford to provoke Avery. What should I do?
The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain no world.
Oh my goodness. This was a close shave with that. How on earth did you get involved with those people?
What are you even talking about? Wait, are you expecting me to answer that? That fool pulled a gun at us and you're not talking about it.
Let's face this on, Belvina. You were the one who went for them. Why can't we just let these people be? Why?
She poured the drink into my face.
That's because you went to challenge them first. This restaurant is a public place and nobody has a right to restrict the moves of another.
Stop! Stop! Stop it! Just allow me to think. Don't forget, my name is Belvina Adams and I don't take nonsense from anybody. She has just drowned the first blood and I'm going to match it up with her.
What are you going to do? What?
Just watch me do it.
Oh.
Chiquito Jego, fine baby with the cash. I don't want name off of man. Beautiful and successful, now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito my wedding day.
I know Belvina. That bitchy, useless daughter of a classless senator. Why is she an issue to you?
She's not an issue to me. Chichi, you know that. She is not an issue and she will never be. It's just that I'm wondering where she derived the guts to talk back at me.
So that's the reason why you're getting all worked up. Huh? That's the reason why you're getting upset. Okay, I have already handled her. She's only upset because she sees you as her competitor.
And who is competing with her? You know me, I am not competing with anybody.
Exactly my point. That's why you need to ignore that girl.
That reminds me. Can
Can I see that you're gone again?
Why do you want to see the gun?
That is because you shocked me when you brought out gun from your bag. So, you have been moving around with gun all this while and I never knew about it?
There are many things you do not know about, baby. You see this baby here? She's one of the hallmarks of a senior babe. I am friends with all the senior police officers in this country. So this is one of the things they gave to me to protect myself. If I decide to waste anybody, that person is wasted.
You don't mean it. Hey, that means I am still a learner.
You have a long way to go.
You have a lot to teach me.
You have a long.
I'll just get something upstairs.
Are you sure you don't want me to show you how it works? I can show you one or two tricks.
No, not in my house.
Easy thing.
No, not in my house.
Not now.
Jammy, Jammy, Jammy. Jammy, daddy loves you. Jammy, Jammy, Jammy. Jammy, daddy loves you. Jammy, Jammy. Jammy, daddy loves you. Jammy, 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 daddy loves you. I love you, you love me. We are happy family. It's a kiss from me, from me to him. Mwah! Won't you say you love me?
You are awake? Sorry. Did you wake you?
Oh, no, not exactly. I heard the song from inside. And then when I looked through the window, I saw the child. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're a child, I suppose.
Yeah.
Oh, he's such a cute little man.
Should I say as cute as me?
I don't have a word for you on that. What would you like to eat? I'll have what I'm going to prepare to you.
Thank you. I'm very fine. But if I want something, I'll tell Mrs. Grace.
Okay. Hey, baby. You are so cute. Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
I will have it.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Alright.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Have it? Jammy, Jammy, Jammy. Jammy, Jammy, Jammy.
Should we not be leaving already?
Come on, calm down. Let's just enjoy the match, please.
Oh my goodness. What a beautiful place for a beautiful couple.
Hey, baby. And what are you doing here? Oh, well, it's nice to see you here.
Well, I'm sorry I do not feel the same. For you're nothing but a bastard. A lying he-goat and a dog. What did you tell my friend when you were telling her off? You told her that your new catch was pregnant, right?
Beg your pardon.
Oh, please do not interrupt me with that pardon of yours, for I have not landed. Is this the thing you said is pregnant for you? Where is the pregnancy? Because I'm looking at a woman who has absolutely nothing to do with pregnancy.
Chuma, are you not going to say anything? What is she talking about?
He has nothing to say. Now listen to me, dear. I know we do not like ourselves, but I will tell you the truth. You see this thing here? I cannot wish this thing here for my enemy, for he is a full definition of a heartless man.
Enough of this nonsense, Ebere.
Will you shut up and allow me expose you in the presence of this innocent woman who prefers to see me as her enemy? And I hate her too. Now let me tell you, my dear. You see this thing here? He is a gold digger. He's only telling you sweet words because he is targeting your money. Just make a mistake of allowing him any close to your money and you will see the beast in him.
You know what? I think you're creating a scene here. Do you understand me? I didn't break up with your friend because I had another woman. I broke up with her because she wasn't in love with me, but your husband.
Excuse me?
Yes.
What are you saying?
Yes, she's in love with James. Even though I tried to make our relationship work again. But it was obvious that I couldn't compete with a man she has already buried in her heart. And you know what? You made her job very easier for her by willingly divorcing that man. Yes. And now she has him all to herself. So before you accuse me of cheating next time, you get your facts right. Do you understand me?
What's wrong with you? I mean, what's this nonsense?
Are you trying to make me feel like an idiot? You don't have to ask because you are an idiot already.
And as for you, you think I am bank you can grow your pockets? Newsflash. You fail. Well, I do not want to see you anywhere close to me again. I'm out of here.
Just get off.
Abby, are you okay? Are you alright? How can you spend your time arguing with people of that class?
James. James. Yes, baby. James. James. Oh, kiss me. Hold me. Kiss me. James.
Seline, are you going to wake up from there or should I hit you, silly?
Ebere.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? What is the meaning of this? Seline, how could you do this to me? Seline, you know everything about me. I told you virtually everything. Things I never told my sister, nor my mother. I told you everything because I trusted you. And you know how to do this to me. You had the mind to stab me in the back. Seline!
Ebere! Have you been drinking?
Don't even try to patronize me. Because I know you. Oh yes, I know you and I know everything about you. Oh, I see. So, the reason James keeps cropping up in all our conversations, the constant care, the affections, all this is because you are in love with my husband and you just couldn't wait for us to depart before jumping into his bed?
Ebere! Are you out of your mind or something?
Don't even try to deny it. Oh, I thought for a second, just a split second, that Chuma was lying to me when he told me that you had something with my husband. I thought he was lying. And I came here to have an opportunity to discuss with my friend later at night. And guess what? I saw you here, fantasizing, having a wet dream for my husband. Oh no, Seline, you have disappointed me. How could you do this to me?
Ebere, it is not like that.
Will you shut up? Shut that thing you call a mouth. This is the reason you broke your perfect relationship just so you could be with my husband. Seline! Shame on you. Shame on you. Just look at you. So all this beauty, all this talk of influence, everything ended up in James's pants. Whoa! Seline, you are a sophisticated whore. That's what you are. You even had to stoop so low, like going close to my son just so you could be with my husband?
Enough!
How terrible can you be?
Enough! Ebere, enough! I've been standing here and I heard everything you said. What right do you have to talk back at anybody?
Well, I'm not surprised. I need no soothsayer to tell me exactly what is happening here. This whore that I've called my friend for years was here, fantasizing over my husband. And boom! The cheating, classless he-goat suddenly walked in. Swear on your mother's grace that you have not been doing this from day one. Swear!
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you? So you think I would cheat on you, even with your best friend?
Or will you keep quiet? For this is the only explanation I can wrap my hands on. Only God knows how long you've been doing this to me.
Enough! Iberi, enough! I have never cheated on you. Not even when the temptation was high that I wanted to. I don't know the source you got your information from, but hear it from me. I wasn't a cheat. Not while we are dating, and not even in marriage.
You know what? I honestly do not need any explanation from either of you. Not at all. I have just wedded you both. You are perfect for each other. You two will make a perfect couple for each other. Excuse me.
The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass.
Seline, for how long? For how long have you had this?
And what business of yours is that? So what, I had a wet dream about you? Is it a crime? James, things like that happen. You can't tell me that your entire life you've not had a wet dream about someone.
This is different.
What makes it different? Is it because it's you? So it's not brutally wrong? Then sue me.
Seline, you know that
You know that what? What do you want? What are you doing here at this time of the night?
It didn't go down well with me the way I've retreated you earlier. I couldn't sleep. So I felt it's needful for me to come and see you, but
you saw your ex-wife making a mockery of me because I had a wet dream about you. Right.
Seline,
please. Please. Don't even say it. Don't say it. Right, I know it's immoral, it's crazy, stupid to have a thing for you. Yes, I know, but that's that for that. Please, I have had enough insult for one day. Don't add to it, please.
Seline.
Please, just shut the door after you. Excuse me.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away.
Someone seems to be in a happy mood today.
Not really a happy mood. I am meeting with my ex-wife. As a matter of fact, she's waiting for me at the gate.
Wow. Why outside the gates? Invite her in. I would be so pleased to meet her.
No need for that. If she had wanted, she would have got. No need for that.
Oh. Okay, so I'm hoping that the conversations go well.
Thanks. See ya.
Are you kidding me? Do you want to mess with me?
Can you bring your voice down? This is a hotel.
To hell with the hotel! To hell with the hotel! Have you finally lost it?
You know me, James. I do not joke. I want My son.
When was the last time you set your eyes on that innocent son of mine? When?
Please, will you stop it? Stop being so possessive. He is my son.
The same son you abandoned. For 5 good months, we've not seen each other. For 5 good months, we've not had a decent conversation. And for the very first time we're seeing you asking of custody of the same son you abandoned.
Oh, please keep quiet. Why are you screaming? And point of correction. I did not abandon my son. I left him with a competent hand. So when I went to fend for myself, my mother went there and took him. And you went to my mother and took my son. Right now you're talking balderdash.
You lack common sense. You lack common sense. The same son you never breastfed for what? Even as a mother.
Oh, please.
Listen and listen real good. Anything you want to do, start doing it from here. Because you will never have the custody of my son.
Hey! Don't even try to create a scene here. Don't let us create a scene right here.
Do you think I'm scared of what you bring along? No, Ebere. I am not scared. You are too basic, Ebere. And the time has come for me to let you know that I am a man of Unjikoka. Enough is enough. My son is fine where he is. You can't have him before injecting with these demons I see in your eyes. Good day.
This is not happening. So finally, he has reinvented his confidence as a man. This is serious.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely.
James, why did you do this? You left here since morning. You got me worried sick.
I am sorry. A lot in my mind.
Come, sit down. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just need to go in and rest.
You have been drinking.
Afraid. I just needed to cool off before coming back.
You don't look good at all. How did it go with her?
Can we please not talk about this?
Look, you're not compelled to tell me, okay? Just that I've been worried sick about you. Maybe, like you rightly said, you need to go in and rest. So, go on in.
Thank you.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Because women refuse to speak.
Their rights are taken away.
And when women finally open their mouths,
The mouths of men are closed.
great is that man
Who women have decided not to kill.
the temple of the seed of excellent germination.
The center of Bermuda, where we resurrect our tomorrow.
Daughters of Bermuda, I want us to dip our hands in the waters of Bermuda. I called us here because it is time again for you to organize the party of the withered candle. The love of money is the root of all evil. And I want you to unleash this money to the girls who love them. You all have the money. And I want you to continue to unleash the money to those girls who love them, so that germination will continue in the temple of excellent germination.
Even before you called, we have told Ebere here to host a party, to launch a new house. We are going to turn this party into the party of withered candle.
Good. I believe I love the sound of that. Those who seek to continue to harvest
must decide to continue to plant.
Those who seek to continue to harvest
must decide to continue to plant.
And those who seek to continue to harvest
must decide to continue to plant.
I'm still wondering how you coordinate your hair shops scattered all over the country.
What makes you ask?
That's because you're always here. I can't even remember the last time you visited your shop in Asaba.
But my dear, you are an insider. You should understand that those businesses are mere camouflage. The temple of the seed of germination is the real deal.
That brings me to the meeting we had last night. The party of the withered candle I am required to organize. What does that mean?
It means we're going to bring girls. Beautiful ones, so they will come and dance, party, let them be happy, dance, and have fun. And we will put the withered candle in a room. And as the candle melts, so also their future will melt into our own.
Really? So, you mean to tell me that all the girls that will come for the party will no longer have future?
We're going to give them money. They will squander away their future without even knowing it.
Are you serious? Oh no. This is so callous of us.
Don't cry for girls that don't ask where the money is coming from. When the time comes, they will sort out themselves. As the candle melts and wither away, let their future sink into ours.
All hail Secundo.
Their luck is our gain, and our gain will be forever.
All hail Secundo.
Yes, announcing the arrival of ladies of high class. When you see them, you know that they have swag. They have swag. Their swag brought them at two. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. The ladies of high class. Hey! Back to the down, back to the down, back to the down. But I didn't know you're not.
can't believe you're doing this to yourself. Agonizing over a woman who left you and is living the kind of life you abhor.
Not that I am agonizing. But why must you come back to this town? Why won't you just leave the city to anywhere she wants to?
James, this town is big enough. Come on. Act like someone who would make a very good manager. Do not let your emotions overrule your sense of judgment. Ignore her.
I love her. I am sorry. But I love her so much. How can she throw what we share just like that? How can she just throw it away just like that? The promises we made, what we shared, because I don't have money anymore. Now she's just throwing money in the air just to spite me. Making people believe that she was in bondage while she was living with me. Is that fair?
James, you love her, yes. You married her and she gave you a son. But listen to me, you need to purge her out of your system. You need to be willing, you need to be able to let go of her. You need to move on, James. Look, you deserve a better life. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to truly move on, James. You do. Come here.
Oh no, this is not good. Ebere, are you sure you're not a cause to this sisterhood?
I beg your pardon? What sort of stupid statement is that? Why are you calling me a curse?
You know why? The party of the withered candle is what we have been having for a long time now. And nobody has ever interrupted us. This is the first time of you hosting this party. Not only were we interrupted, but the whole candle vanished.
And in your stupidity, you think I am the one responsible for it?
See, I don't have anything to say, girls. I think the best thing for us to do now is to go back to Port Harcourt. Then report to Sir Second what has expired.
I really need some time to think. To think very, very deep.
You really need to go higher on your Zodiac interpretation to find out what is going on.
Go higher on Zodiac interpretations. What exactly do you mean by that?
I really don't know how to explain this. But if you must succeed in this order of seed of excellent germination, then you must open.
It is very obvious that I am floating in all this. And something tells me that there are secrets that you people have not explained to me. What is going on?
Ladies?
Oh, Vina, I am so disappointed in you. How could you bring yourself so low? Like, how could you bring yourself this low? Using the services of armed bandits to achieve what purpose exactly?
What were you expecting? I should leave that idiot. I should leave her alone after pouring vodka into my face.
So now that your face is all over the internet, what will you do when your dad gets to hear of this?
Thank God you know who my father is. I am the daughter of a serving senator and nobody messes with me.
See, from what I know already, these ladies own this town. It is very risky engaging them in their own city.
Cousin, enough! Enough of this nonsense!
Do you know why I did not take you on that mission?
Because I know how much of a coward you are.
What?
I went alone. Now I am asking you to keep short. Keep that your advice to yourself. That girl messed up with me and I'm going to crown that way hot. Watch me do it. Just watch me.
If not that we share the same order with Candice. I would have proudly said that she has a hand in this.
Babe, why would you involve Candace in all this? Why? I'm sorry I was not there for your party. Alright, because I was sent for another assignment. But I'm very sorry about what happened. I heard everything. Alright? I still believe Candace has nothing to do with this.
How could you say a thing like that? So you didn't hear that she called me curse? When we ran in and found out that the candles disappeared, Candace looked me in the face and said that I was cursed.
ABC, relax. I'm sure Candace spoke out of frustration. That was the first time, the very first time, the party of the withered candle will be aborted. Maybe that was why she spoke out of frustration.
Ruth, let's just speak the truth here. Candace does not like me. She doesn't. Right from that very day, we met at the club in Port Harcourt. That night, she showed me that she doesn't like me. She hates me and she doesn't hide it. And trust me, I hate her too.
Alright, calm down. I understand. But I still believe we shouldn't be talking about this now. Let's talk about the whoever that ruined your party, the intruder. I think you should have gone to Sesekondo, at least to see if he has a solution to this.
You don't have to worry yourself about that thing. I already briefed some boys to take care of her. She's too busy for me to visit Sesekondo. That thing, I can handle her.
Baby, I know you are angry, but listen to me. You cannot do a thing like that. I'm sure you should know the rules.
What rule are you talking about?
Now listen, you cannot shed a blood, even if you attempted to. Alright? You can't. You must get a signal from Sesekondo before you do anything.
Are you serious?
Of course I am. Now listen, I know as a human being, you might be tempted to send assassin to kill her. If I was in your shoes, maybe I could have done so, but then, relax. You cannot do anything without Sesekondo's approval. You cannot, even if you're tempted to. No, you can't. It will definitely backfire.
Well, in that case, I will have to rephrase my instructions then. But, you see that fool? That daughter of a bitch. She must get it hot. It's alright, trust me. Calm down. Hits the point. What's the 411?
Mission accomplished.
You get your balance in the next 5 minutes. Belvina Adams. You had the nerves to come to my house, crashed my party, wanted to get me scared. You are a big joker. I don't care if your father is a senator or not. But you see this game you have started? I will help you end it, bitch.
Why are you so stupid, Bevina? Is it what you came to Asaba to do? To fight another woman? Over what?
Dad, you weren't there. You didn't hear the insult she meted out on me.
Really? Insult? So why don't you insult her back? Eh? Instead of threatening her with a gun. Oh, do you know the type of mess you have dragged me into right now? You have not given my political opponents opportunity to write all sorts of rubbish about my family and post it on the internet. Senator Adam's daughter go bazaar and start chasing people with gun in the party. Is that right? Eh? Do you know what that has done to me? Do you know what that has done to my political career? Hey!
Your political career? That's more important to you. And I'm lying here because some sick girl hired some hooligans to attack me. All you have to say is your political status, your election. Dad, when are you ever going to show more concern about me?
Bevina, spare me that. Spare me that. I'm not ready to travel that road with you again. I've raised you up to be a better person. When are you going to change? Where?
Dad, she's supposed to be in jail by now because she attacked me first with a gun.
So where's your evidence? Where is it? Answer me. You have none. Now, what you did is a crime, whether that bullet hit someone or not. Look, Bevina, I am trying so hard to protect you at the name of the family. Please allow me to do so. And stop being stubborn. I mean, stop being stubborn for once. In fact, I want you back in Abuja.
I can't, Dad.
What?
Dad, you know why I left? I can't deal with everybody just yet.
You have no choice right now. I've let you off the hook for so long, and it's enough. I want you back in Abuja. And if you refuse to come, you will stay here and face the law. And I will wash my hands off you. Yes.
That's not fair, Dad. That's not fair.
Not fair? Let me tell you what is not fair. It's you dragging my name and the name of the family in the mud. That is what is not fair. Now, look at your friend, Kosi. She's also a senator's daughter. Tell me how many times her father has been to the police station to seek her release. No. Look, please, Bevina, stop giving everybody around you heart attack. I am going out there now to settle the bill. I am giving you 24 hours to meet me in Abuja.
Senator Adams is making an impossible request and he knows it. I want to see you in Abuja. Are you serious right now? I mean, do you want to disobey your father?
What I understand is, you don't even know what is going on. Look, it has been reduced to war. Whoever wins takes charge in this town. I'm not wired to chicken out. I will see to the end of this.
You are so unbelievable.
Chiquito Jego, fine baby with a cash. Adam my name of man, beautiful and successful. Now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito my wedding day.
Senator Adams, well, I'm so sorry to have kept you waiting. I was having an online Skype meeting when I was made aware of your arrival.
That's all right. I should be apologizing to you. At least I'm supposed to book a proper appointment before coming here anyway.
It's fine. So, to what do I owe this August visit?
You and I know why I'm here. My daughter was beaten to a pulp by some hoodlums, apparently hired by someone.
Oh my goodness. So sorry about that. I hope she's getting better.
Yeah, she's getting better. She's recuperating very well.
Oh, that's nice. Why are you staring at me like that? You don't think I have a hand in this, do you?
I was hoping you could provide me with that answer.
Oh, come on, Senator Adams. Take a very good look at me. Do I look mad or insane to you?
You won't blame me, will you? I mean, you are having a problem with my daughter. 2 days after she crashed your party, she was waylaid and beaten up by some hoodlums. As a politician who understands what it means to sort people out when they misbehave, I thought you might have done that to get back at her.
Well, you're right. She did crash my party. And to tell you the truth, she scared my guests. And that is why I would not be able to forgive her. But I would not stoop so low to beat her to a pulp and leave her alive, considering the troubles she has caused me this past few weeks. Don't you think that is stupidity on my own part?
So what you are saying is that it's not a kind of retribution from you?
Well, to tell you the truth, I have the intention of dealing with your daughter. I really wanted to hurt her so badly that she would not be able to tell the story. But you know me, I cannot hide my own attack. I can't. You know your daughter. You know she is a troublemaker. She must have provoked someone out there who attacked her. It has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with me.
Allow me to apologize on behalf of my daughter. She's still a child. And you know kids these days how they can behave. They can behave nothing. I'm truly sorry for what she has done. And I hope it ends here.
Senator Adams, why are you apologizing on her behalf?
I know my daughter very well. She will never apologize. In fact, I'm taking her home with me immediately I'm leaving. And I'm doing that as a mark of respect for you. I'm promising you that she will never ever mess with you again.
She shouldn't. She should not. Because if she dare cross my path once again, I will never take it lightly with her.
So on that note, can we call it a truce?
Yeah, hello Chichi. Please, I seriously need your help.
What happened?
That fool has perfected plans with the authorities and they have denied me access to my son.
I'm not following. Who are you talking about?
Who else if not that mistake I made as a husband? I don't know the kind of lies he told against me. Now the welfare department has refused me to see my son. They said I can only have access to him if he's 18. What kind of embarrassment is that?
So what do you need me to do?
Please, Chichi, I need the contact of those senior police officers that you know. I want to arrest that bastard so that he can undo what he has done. I mean, I need to be with my son.
Ebere, there is something wrong in the spirit. And you need to forget about that boy. He's fine where he is.
Chichi, what is more important than my son? I need to be with him now. I need to show him love.
You have to be in Port Harcourt this night. We must see Sir Secondo. It's a matter of life or death.
What? What nonsense is she saying? If I did not call her, would she be telling me this?
Chiquito Jago, fine baby with the cash. I don't want them off for man. Beautiful and successful, now she dey make.
Because women refuse to speak.
Their rights were taken away.
And when women finally open their mouths,
The mouths of men were closed.
great is that man.
Who women have decided not to kill.
The temple of the seed of excellent germination.
The center of Bermuda, where we resurrect our tomorrow.
Ebere. The newest intake. Why this level of carelessness? Because of your carelessness, you have sold your tomorrow. For you to remain relevant in the scheme of things, you must have to buy that tomorrow again.
I honestly do not understand what you're saying, Sir Secondo. But the truth is that I don't ever want to be irrelevant in life again.
Why were you joining issues with a classless woman? A daughter of a useless politician without integrity. Why were you joining issues with her?
Forgive me, Sir Secondo. She was the one that came looking for my trouble.
Why didn't you ignore her? No, why must you go into argument with her? Because of her, the party of the withered candle for the very first time got truncated with her cursed presence. Women that control the kind of power you have do not speak in the excess. Are you not aware? Ebere, you are going to buy that fisher back. You are not going to use your son because that son of yours does not even know who you are. There is no connection whatsoever between you and your son. For you to buy that fisher back, you are going to offer a woman called Angela.
Angela? That's my mother. What do you mean by I will have to offer a woman?
Listen, there is a cologne that will assist you do that job. You will find that cologne when you get home. Don't leave here thinking that anybody is expecting you to go and kill your mother. No. Make her to start using that cologne. And in 3 days' time, she is going to expire. That is the only way you can remain relevant in the scheme of things. Ask your friends and they will tell you that once I speak like this, it must be carried out exactly the same way I said it.
Please, Sir Secondo, do not overrule yet. I have just one favor to ask of you.
Wishes?
Take my husband instead of my mother. He's more dearer to me than my mother. You can change that in the spiritual world. My husband can go, but please spare my mother. Please.
You think I'm a child of what you bring along? No, Ebere. I am not scared. You are too basic, Ebere. And the time has come for me to let you know that I am a man of Unjikoka. Enough is enough. My son is fine where he is. You can't have him before you inject him with these demons I see in your eyes. Good day.
The man of Unjikoka is already superior to what you think. He doesn't fit in at all. The only person that fits in is the woman called Angela. You must have to offer her immediately. Fail to do this, and I am going to join you to your original husband in the occult, the madman.
The truth is, I've been meaning to come and see you, but I've become so busy at work.
Work?
Mm-hmm.
Are you working now?
Yes. God has been very faithful. Based on the wonderful remarks the site supervisors made about me, I've spoke to her father, and they made me the head of technical department.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
This is huge.
Huge indeed. I am due to travel to Atlanta for a month training starting from 2nd of next month.
James?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
So you now hate me this much that you couldn't even come on the phone to tell me?
No. This is not meant to be a telephone conversation. I said I will not just call you. Considering what happened last time, I thought it wise to come and see you one-on-one. But disappointment has not allowed me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank God I convinced myself to come and see you. Well, congratulations.
Thank you. Seline, you're one friend that means the whole world to me. You've been there for Ebere and I. You did everything possible to make sure that our marriage did not crash.
Well, the whole thing was misunderstood.
Misunderstood by the same person who cannot boast of having understood anything. Thank God you're here. At least this will give us time for us to fix the misunderstanding we have and pick up from there.
I don't know, Chichi. But I am beginning to feel used.
Who's using you?
You never told me that a time would come when I will be asked to kill somebody. Now, I've been required to kill my own mother?
Is that all? Women who are determined to stay in money do not think normal. They don't think normal anymore. Go back to Asaba and do exactly what you are required to do.
Just look at you. It's very easy for you to say. Now let me ask you. Chinasa Okwosa, have you ever killed someone before?
I have done a lot of things. I have done a lot of things. Why do you think I am so relevant and still in money? Let me share this with you. Do you know our own Kale? She slept with her father so many times that they became lovers. And guess what? She was asked to kill her own father. Oh yes.
That's not true.
Of course it's true. My dear, you better do exactly what Sir Secondo said you should do. Don't play with Sir Secondo. Don't play with him. You better do exactly what he said, or else he will do what he said. He'll make you lunatic. Huh.
Alfred, you still have not taken your shower. I was actually thinking she'd be sleeping by now.
Is that why you smuggled in your babe? What exactly are you doing with that lady?
I have this feeling you don't know how wealthy her father is. And she is the only one he trusts. I know she has a plan to fix you up. And your friend's continued visit to this house might ruin everything for you. So you have to be very careful. Think about it.
You still won't tell me anything, right?
Okay. Avery, you are one woman that came into my life. At that point, I was about to sink. You rescued me from suicide. And I've told myself that I'm living for you.
James, you are not living for me. You are living for your son.
I know. But you have a very special place in my life. Seline is just a friend. She was just there for me and my family. Believe me when I tell you there is nothing between us. It's not just in my nature to turn my back on people. Please, understand me.
Okay then. Let's leave it at that. I think it's time I freshen up and go to bed. Good night.
Two important women in my life. How will I solve this problem?
Down with this thing. Do you know, because of you, my daughter refused men that would have married her, men of caliber, men of substance. Even Chief Akiono, who would have taken care of her without any question, giving her the life that she deserved. The reason I allowed you to marry my daughter was because you have small change to take care of her.
you don't have anything. So please, why don't you allow my daughter go? Divorce her. How much will it cost you? How much?
I love my wife.
Hey, I say love.
And I love you not, James. I love you not. Please, I am tired of this relationship. Sign the damn divorce papers. Let me have peace. I want to have peace. I'm in bondage, please. Maybe all those your stupid friends that come here to give me stupid advice will stop disturbing my life.
James, take it. Take it. Icheko. Do you have money? Take it. Let my daughter go.
Is this how badly you want to quit? Is this how badly you want to leave me? Is it?
Everything shall surely pass away.
Come and take this thing.
It can be argued that my mother ruined my marriage. She pushed me into rituals because she wanted a high life. If she has to die for me to maintain my status and remain relevant, then so be it.
Hello? Who is this?
Good evening, ma.
Who are you?
James, your daughter's ex-husband.
Why are you calling my number?
Mama, I know you hate me so much. I know you don't want to have anything to do with me. But we are still family. At least, you're my son's grandmother.
Please. Just go straight to the point. Tell me why you called me.
I think your daughter has been compromised.
Compromised? How?
Have you seen her lately? If you have, you know that something is wrong with her. There are demons in her eyes.
Hey, look, shut up, you idiot. It is you that has battalion of demons in your eyes. You have battalions of setback demons in your eyes. Listen, don't you ever call my line.
No, Mama, hold it. Mama, just hold it. Mama, I just called you to do me a favor. Tell your daughter to stay clear from my son. She has lost the case with the welfare board. If she dares come any close to my son, I swear, I will do the unthinkable.
Demons in her eyes. What sort of language is that?
Hello, Mother. Good evening.
Ebere, where are you?
I'm in Port Harcourt. I'll be coming back to us about tomorrow.
What have you been up to lately?
I don't understand. Where is the question coming from?
Ebere, tell me the truth. The money you have been spending lately, where is it coming from?
Mother, what is wrong with you? What sort of interrogation is this? I don't understand. You should be happy for me that I have made money and I'm doing everything possible to make you comfortable. You should be happy, not asking me irrelevant questions.
Ebere, tell me the truth. I am your mother. I will always stand by you. Have you compromised yourself? Have you gotten involved in anything demons and satanic?
Mama, listen, I don't have time for this, honestly. I don't have time for this kind of thing. I'll be coming back, and once I come back, we'll see face to face and talk about it, please. What kind of nonsense is this? Where is this question coming from?
heaven knows that I did everything possible for this relationship to go further. And I was even prepared to give my life for you. But as it is, Chuma, you do not want someone like me. You are not worth someone like me. It's fine. Please, I beg of you. Live my life in peace. And I wish you best of luck.
Everything shall surely
What was I thinking?
Pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Just for a while, silver and gold shall surely pass away.
Madam, that lady, she was here. She said she wants to see you.
Which lady are you talking about?
The one that came with gunmen.
Belvina?
I don't know her name.
What did she come here to do?
She didn't tell me anything, but she said she would come back and see you.
There is a cologne that will assist you do that job. You will find that cologne when you get home. Don't leave here thinking that anybody is expecting you to go and kill your mother. No. Make her to start using that cologne, and in 3 days' time she is going to expire. That is the only way you can remain relevant in the scheme of things.
I am ready to secure the future I already lost. I like the way things are developing.
Chiquito, fine baby with the cash. I don't want them all for my beautiful and successful. Now she
Who's that? Yeah, what is it?
The lady's back.
The same lady? I'll see her outside.
Beautiful and successful. Now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito, my waiting day. Adam, my name off for my fine girl, big jeep. Fine girl, fine house. Small girl, big banky. Small girl with a big god. Adam, my name off for my Chiquito Jago, fine baby with the cash. Adam, my name off for my beautiful and successful. Now she dey make her own pay. Chiquito, my waiting day.
And what have you come to do in my house?
Friend, are you not not going to let me do?
Excuse me? Who is your friend? I am not your friend and I will never be. Now listen to me. I will appreciate it if you say whatever it is that has brought you here. Do you understand that?
I came to apologize for what happened during your party. And I'm also aware that you were the one who sent the people that attacked.
Hey! Bevlina or whatever your name is called. I don't have time for this nonsense. And I will appreciate it if you take your miserable apologies somewhere else, for I don't need it.
I actually had a dream last night.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh, so you came here to tell me about your stupid dream? I mean, what business of mine is it?
I was actually warming up to deal with you when I thought you were a businesswoman just like me. But from what I know now, you're actually weird. And I'm not cut out for work with a weird person like you.
And it is high time you took your miserable self out of my compound. Your welcome has expired.
I'm actually leaving. But don't see me as your enemy. And in your interest, I want you to retrace the paths which you're treading. Because that path might actually kill you.
Get out.
I know.
I said get out of my house. Get out!
I'm leaving.
What nonsense. I will surely have your time when the time comes. Bitch. And you! Don't you ever open this gate for that lunatic again. Don't you ever.
Yes, ma.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't lose your soul.
What are you doing here?
Please, can I come in?
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
I ask you again. What are you doing here?
Please, Seline, please. I am sorry. I know it's going to be very difficult for you to forgive me, but please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. I am sorry, please. Do you want to know the truth? Do you truly want to know the truth? There's this person that I met and I love her. Yes.
What do you take me for? A fool?
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I beg you from the deepest part of my heart, please. I know I've messed up. You still remain the best thing that has ever happened to me. Please forgive me, please. Please, babe, forgive me. I promise I'm going to make it up to you, please. I'm sorry.
Ebere, what I was asking you last night is really, really important to me. And I will appreciate it if you will answer me and tell me the truth.
Mama, what else do you want me to say? Okay, fine. I ran into a man in Port Harcourt that introduced me to oil business. That is the source of the money I have been spending. Or will you tell me that you do not know that there is money in oil business?
What is the name of that man in Port Harcourt?
Oh, Mama, please stop it. Stop asking me questions as if I'm a child. Don't do that. Why are you like this now? Okay. Have it. This is the designer perfume I bought for you. I want you to stand out amongst your peers. Those CWO women meeting, I want you to always appear very amazing whenever you come in. You know, that is what I want for you. And I have already wired 500,000 naira into your bank account. Just buy whatever you want with it.
Abby, thank you for the perfume and the money. Hey, but don't tell me that you will leave without answering my question.
What question have you asked that I haven't answered? I don't understand you. Mama, what have I not done for you? All you need now is to be happy. The car I bought for you will be delivered next week. Yeah? Oh yes! Stop asking irrelevant questions and enjoy yourself. It's not important. Please, I have a meeting with one of the white men. I'll talk to you later. Hey!
You knew it so clearly that there was nothing between James and I. But you decided to tell the damaging lie because you have no conscience.
That's why I'm here apologizing to you. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me, please. And I'm sure that the glory of our coming relationship will be better than the way it used to be. Please.
I don't even know what to say to you now. Chuma, you hurt me so badly. You made me so miserable for weeks. I was so pathetic.
Baby, I've realized my mistake. And I judged you even when I had no reasons to. Babe, please. Accept this gift of flowers from me. It will give me internal peace, please. Please.
James. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Madam Grace. Thank you.
Thank you. James, what are you still waiting for?
How do you mean?
If you lose her finally, who are you going to blame?
Madam Grace, you're still speaking in riddles.
Are you not going to propose to her and make her your wife? Or are you waiting for another man to move faster than you?
Madam Grace, why would you say such a thing? Avery is my boss. She's the general manager at the company where I work. She single-handedly employed me. How can I propose to my boss? People will think I'm a gold digger. They may even throw me out of the company.
You are wrong, James. This lady was well brought up. If she respects even the cleaners that clean this compound, she will worship her husband. And you are the best I see. Think about it, James.
Hello? What's up, babe?
I am fine. Just with the fact that I have lost my son to his father, and I am going to lose my mother as well.
Have you given your mother the tool for the sacrifice?
I have, but I'm hoping to get a call telling me to bring another person instead of my mom.
The more you continue to see her as your mother, the more you will feel the pain. Just look at it as a sacrifice for a better life. Money answers all things.
You know that stupid girl, that idiot that ruined my party with gunmen? She was here.
To do what? Did you stay away from her as instructed?
Well, she didn't actually come for war. She came here telling me that she had a dream and then she realized how weird I was. And then she came to apologize. I only asked her to leave my house. I don't have time for that.
Anyway, if you will listen to me, you will avoid all distractions. Make sure you give your mother the cologne to use. Before you know it, money will start flowing in. Asaba will be shut down.
I love the sound of that. I am getting ready because Asaba is going to be totally shut down for my girls and I. You know.
Reaches over, make us lose our soul. Nothing on earth will ever satisfy, and the soul that's sinned shall surely die. Everything shall surely pass away.
Seline is the one I am planning to make my wife. I know she shares same chemistry for me. It would be very unfair of me to leave her after everything she did for me and marry Avery because she is wealthy. My conscience will not stop reminding me that I broke a heart. What will I do? My Seline, my world. I'm just outside there thinking about you.
Oh, please. You keep me when you say that.
Well, you know, that's the truth. You mean the world to me. I can't just do anything without you.
Hold on, James, please. I want to say something.
Go ahead.
Okay, Chuma and I reconciled.
Wow. Are you serious? When did this happen?
Well, he came back and apologized. So I forgive him. And then we were traveling to Uyo for our wedding. His uncle, who is a pastor, wants to wed us at his church.
I don't know what to say. So finally, you're not going to be mine.
Ah? Oh dear, I was never yours, and you know it. Okay, fine. I pray to God to give you a good woman that will take care of you and give you everything that you want. Okay?
It's okay. I'm so happy for you, my dear. Keep me posted with the dates. I'll be in Uyo for you.
Boom, of course. You don't have a choice. Okay, I will. Thank you. Bye.
Everything shall surely pass away. The pleasures of this world are just for a while. Silver and gold shall surely pass away. Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Hey, this meeting with Yara. Hey, my designer. They will hear it. My daughter, you're too much.
Why are you calling my number?
I have been calling you since yesterday. You're not taking my calls.
Now I have picked. What is it?
I have reconciled with my man. And we're getting married soon.
That's your business. And if you don't mind, stay off my lane. Do you understand?
Hello? Hello, Ebere? What is wrong with you?
Who are you? Who are you and why are you tormenting me? Show your face! Show your face! For I am rooted into the temple of the seed of the excellent germination. You cannot intimidate me. You cannot!
You are not rooted anywhere. You are rooted into me.
James, my goodness, where did you learn how to develop crazy structures? Do you know what the white man said to me?
No.
He said that all the professional technical staffs studied that sample which you gave me to submit to them.
Okay.
And they think it's the best.
Are you serious? So, any good news about the contract?
Well, maybe.
Maybe?
We have it. We have it, James. We have the contract and my father is so excited.
Wow.
He's going crazy. He wants to see the wizard I hired.
Avery, I'll just... Okay. Tell me that I'm worthy to be your husband. Then we'll have 2 presentations to make to the MD.
Excuse me. You're pulling my legs, right? What are you saying? Stop it. I'm just super excited that we won this contract.
Please, be my wife, and I'll love you for the rest of my life.
Today apparently happens to be one of the best days of my life. Today I won a contract of $10 million. And then a proposal from the best man in the whole world. Yes, I will be your wife. Come on, put the ring. Right there. Put it right there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Temple of excellent generation. Who are you? No! No! I refuse to be intimidated! I refuse to be intimidated! Come again! Come! Show your face! Show your face!
What happened to my daughter? I don't know. Ever since he ran out of the compound, she has been behaving like this. That's why I called him. Hey, baby. What is it?
You! Now I know what you did. You broke the bottle. You ruined my sacrifice. You're not supposed to be alive. You were supposed to be sacrificed for me to secure my future. Why did you break the cologne? Why did you break the cologne? Why did you... Help me! Hold on! God, come and help my daughter!
I received a call from one of her friends in Asaba.
And what has that got to do with you?
She is mad as we speak.
And that is how it will remain. The rules of the occult are very sacrosanct and rigid. Failures to adhere to them always are met with repercussions. She was unable to secure her future, and I'm sorry. That future is gone.
Is there nothing we can do?
There is. That is if you can give yourself a deep cut and allow your blood drop into the water of Bermuda.
And what becomes of me?
Your end is close. You have spent all these years living the good life. Can't you offer yourself for a friend of yours to enjoy some more?
I can't. Secondo, I cannot do that.
Kelvin, I called you here because it is clear to me that your boss is not a good businessman.
Madam, how could you say a thing like that? You know that Chief Hyacinth is the best estate agent we have in this town.
If he is the best, so why hasn't he sold the house I gave to him? Eh? Listen, that house is worth 100 million naira, and I am ready to take half the price.
Madam, there is a very big problem. There is something wrong with that house.
Something wrong? How? Oh. Is it because my daughter is mad? Listen, her madness has nothing to do with the house. See, Kelvin, I am willing to give you that house. Find a buyer. I'll give you the percentage.
You are the one who first into evil. You think you can live to reap the benefits?
I will even give you the house for
Eh?
don't mind you, ma. This is my guy. Very funny. Very funny.
Wait. Is this not a beret?
Yeah, that is beret.
Oh my goodness! Is this a beret?
What happened to her?
She ran mad as the result of what she did. She got herself involved in rituals and now she's paying the price.
Please, open this car.
No. What do you want to do?
Open this car, that's my friend.
She's mad. Why do you want to go see her?
No, she's my friend.
But she's mad now.
You're not going anywhere. Quite unfortunate. Let her face the rhythm of the music she started. Let's go.
She's too desperate.
No, jeez. Temper. Excellent, that's it, that's